Hey there viewers, and today is day 12 and we are doing a design for a company or startup called Good Water. My name is Roy, I'm a web designer for Awesome, and let's get into the video. Okay, so today's idea is a water quality testing and service startup with plans to start in Puerto Rico in 2020. So straight away, from a lot of feedback on these landing pages with this particular startup, they haven't arrived or they're not out yet, so the goal of the page would be to get emails just to build up your list when you launch. So what I'm doing here, I'm just straight into Unsplash and finding relevant images, and it's a water quality testing and service. So from my head, I'm assuming that this is a B2B as opposed to business to consumer. This could be maybe a restaurant, or it could be let's say a big chain, Tesco's or something like that. Well, probably not Tesco's, that needs good quality water testing. Anyway, without waffling on, straight away I'm just putting in the main heading, you get good quality water, and then the CTA, I think definitely could be improved. Rather than just having sign up, you want to have a bit more of a I don't know if there are any copywriters out there, what term would you use? And then I had a subtext which is, if you sign up you're going to get 50% off a reusable bottle. I thought that could be a good way, but that is probably more for B2C. So anyway, I grabbed a really nice illustration from stories.freepik.com, which I think works really well, and it's very minimal, clean. So I thought, yeah, that would be suitable again, because I love the clean and minimal stuff. And then I could just quickly put the logo of the company Good Water, which is fictional, and just put it on the label of the illustration. And then I'm just playing with background shapes, like the blue background there, just to help the image or the illustration be, just to overlap. Here what I'm doing now is I'm finding an image that represents a testing environment, or one that looks like it. And this one here I felt was really nice. The person is flipping the water bottle in the air, and the background is out of focus, and I thought that's a really strong image. Feedback from Instagram is they quite like that one. It could be more relevant to the business, and I would agree on there. I think the illustration is nice, but it's probably not aligned perfectly with the business. So anyway, again, what I tend to do is just to explore different images, how they look, do they fit the business goals. Again, the goal is to get a sign up. It could be something else, but this is what I had in my head at the time. And you got the social media icons at the bottom, so hopefully that can build a bit of momentum to check them out on social platforms. But again, this is more B2B, so maybe they do hang out on the social platforms. I'm sure they do, if it's a business. So yeah, again, I'm just playing with the illustration. Sometimes it's nice to make the illustration part of the background, so I decided to put it in a circle. Circles are really good, they're just so adaptable. Icons, you put circles, you put icons in circles to make them more unified. So that's what I did here. I just put it in a circle and used it on the logo text as well. And I think that is it. It's really quick and simple today, so I hope you enjoyed it. And my name is Roy, I'm a web designer. You can learn design, and I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care, bye.